Welcome to my channel Rose Beauty. Nicola Peltz is a fashion icon known for her bold and innovative style choices. Her fashion journey has been marked by a series of unforgettable outfits that have cemented her status as one of Hollywood's most stylish celebrities. Let's take a closer look at some of her most iconic fashion moments. Early career and red carpet debut. Nicola Peltz's fashion journey began during her early acting career. She made her red carpet debut at a young age and quickly caught the attention of fashion critics with her elegant and sophisticated style. Her early red carpet appearances were characterized by classic and timeless outfits that reflected her refined taste. Collaboration with top designers. A significant turning point in Nicola's fashion evolution came when she began collaborating with top designers. She has worked with some of the most renowned names in the fashion industry, including Valentino, Chanel, and Balenciaga. These collaborations have resulted in some of her most memorable red carpet looks. Red carpet royalty. Nicola's red carpet appearances are nothing short of spectacular. She has a knack for choosing outfits that are both daring and elegant, often pushing the boundaries of conventional fashion. One of her most talked about looks was the sheer black gown she wore to the Met Gala. The dress featured intricate lace detailing and a dramatic train, making her the center of attention. Another standout moment was her appearance at the Cannes Film Festival, where she wore a stunning white gown with a plunging neckline and a thigh-high slit. The dress was both glamorous and sophisticated, showcasing her impeccable sense of style. Embracing vintage and archival fashion. Nicola has a deep appreciation for vintage and archival fashion. She often wears pieces from iconic designers, breathing new life into classic looks. For a recent photo shoot, she wore an archival Mugler chrome bodysuit from the house's spring 1995 collection. The space siren moment made major headlines and showcased her ability to pull off avant-garde fashion. Custom creations. Custom-made outfits are a staple in Nicola's wardrobe. She frequently collaborates with designers to create unique pieces that reflect her personal style. During a recent press tour, she wore a custom Tom Brown dress embroidered with tennis rackets and coquettish bows. The dress was a playful nod to the film's tennis theme and demonstrated her ability to incorporate elements of her projects into her fashion choices. Method dressing. Nicola is known for her method dressing, where she aligns her outfits with the themes of her projects. For a press conference in Seoul, she wore a pastel J&J leather jumpsuit that perfectly complemented the futuristic aesthetic of the film. This attention to detail and commitment to her roles extends beyond her acting, making her a true fashion chameleon. Partnerships with fashion powerhouses. Nicola's influence in the fashion world is further solidified by her partnerships with major fashion houses. She has collaborated with brands like Valentino, Chanel, and Balenciaga, often serving as the face of their campaigns. Her ability to effortlessly transition between different styles and designers has made her a sought-after muse in the fashion industry. Street style and everyday fashion. While Nicola's red carpet looks often steal the spotlight, her street style is equally impressive. She effortlessly combines high fashion with casual wear, creating chic and comfortable outfits. Whether she's spotted in a tailored blazer and jeans or a flowy summer dress, Nicola's everyday fashion choices are a testament to her versatility and impeccable taste. Fashion icon and awards. Nicola's contributions to the fashion world have not gone unnoticed. She has received numerous accolades for her style, including being named one of the best-dressed celebrities by various fashion magazines. Her ability to consistently deliver stunning looks and her willingness to take risks have earned her a place among the fashion elite. Nicola Peltz's fashion journey is a testament to her creativity, confidence, and willingness to push boundaries. From her early acting days to her current status as a fashion icon, she has consistently impressed with her bold and innovative style choices. Whether she's gracing the red carpet in a custom couture gown or rocking a casual street-style look, Nicola's fashion sense is always on point. Her collaboration with top designers, appreciation for vintage fashion, and partnerships with major fashion houses have solidified her status as one of Hollywood's most stylish celebrities. As she continues to evolve and experiment with her style, there's no doubt that Nicola will remain a fashion force to be reckoned with. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel Rose Beauty for more interesting videos.